Hi everyone, welcome to our latest sustainability episode. Today we're talking about shipping and packaging and the efforts we're making in those areas. Stick around. It's ridiculous. This series, has gotten so big that we even secured another travel budget. We're going all the way to Lyon today, and we even have a hotel.
Wow. Tim, what are you talking about? Lyon? A hotel? A travel budget?
This is Franco, everyone, our new president. But it's a modest hotel. Small budget, don't worry about it.
Can you make this funny this time?
You didn't think the others were funny?
Oh my God.
Man, he's gonna be tough. Salomon sells footwear, apparel, gear, and winter sports equipment to people all around the world, like people here in Lyon. Of course, we're doing as much as we can to make more sustainable products, but we still have to ship those products all around the world to you. So we came up with a novel idea to solve that problem. Imagine an entire fleet of Salomon delivery drones dropping little packages of shoes, skis, bags all around the world, powered entirely by human perspiration collected from our employees and our athletes. So sustainable. I call it Sweatsla. No. Perspidrone. I gotta make some calls. Douglas, what's up, buddy? I need your sweat.
Sorry, Tim. Did you say sweat? Wait, what?
My sweat? No.
You're a weirdo.
All right, that's not exactly the cooperation I was hoping for, and let's be honest, no one wanted to collect Stan Ray's sweat. That's why the responsibility for all these changes fall on our logistics team. So what has that team been working on? Let's go for a walk around the store here in Lyon, and I'll tell you. How do I look? In footwear, Salomon's working with our biggest partners to eliminate single-use plastic. So far, we've eliminated 7 tons of this stuff. That's 80% of all the single-use plastic in footwear. Instead of using plastic bags with the footwear, we'll link the shoes together using shoelaces or the quick lace. Valentin, you probably should disconnect the shoes before you use them.
Oh yes, bonne idée.
Starting with this spring season, Salomon is using recycled poly bags for all apparel and gear, reducing the CO2 impact from that by 25%. Starting in fall/winter 22, across all footwear, apparel, and gear, Salomon is reducing the number of hang tags down to 1 or 2. So now when you come to a store like this one in Lyon, you won't see all this. Of course, all across Salomon, all the cardboard we use is FSC certified cardboard. Did you find everything you're looking for today? Finally, in socks, we ship all of our socks now using something called a big bag to the distribution center. And with every individual pair, no more bags. We're just shipping them like this. It reduces the impact of bags in the category by 95%. So those are some of the solutions our teams are working on. But there's one aspect of shipping and packaging that you've all probably noticed as being wasteful. What a day. To learn more about the challenges Salomon faces in shipping and packaging, we came here and we're catching up with Justine. How are you?
Hi, fine and you?
I'm good. Justine works at the Salomon headquarters where I work. What is this place?
This is our distribution center for all Europe country. Products are arriving here and then they are shipped to retailers, e-consumers, also B2B place.
So someone buys something online in Europe, like from their house, they get it from this place.
Exactly.
Can we take a look around?
Yeah, sure.
This entire warehouse is 42,000 square meters, about the size of 8 football or soccer fields, depending on where you live. In 2021, 1.2 million parcels were shipped from this building. On average, 15 trucks depart this facility every day, delivering products to retailers, wholesalers, and to you, the outdoor lover. Now you know a little bit about this place. Justine, did I get everything right? All my statistics?
Más o menos.
Más o menos, kind of. Okay, last question though. Sometimes I order something online, you get this massive package, right? Like this. You order a book, for example, you get a huge box. What happens with this? Like, it seems like a lot of wasted packaging.
That's why we have created soap.
Soap?
No, Tim, not this soap. This soap.
SOAP actually stands for Small Order Automatic Packaging. It's the newest toy for our logistics team. That includes this guy, Francois from Salomon.
Hello.
How are you?
Quite well.
We say small order automatic packaging. What does that mean compared to like whatever we did before? It's just...
So it means in fact almost all e-com orders, what about 90% of e-com orders, and also really small B2B and retail orders stands for below 20 liters.
Okay, and those are areas where we use like a lot of packaging, a lot of boxes and all of that sort of thing, and this is going to make an impact on how much material we use, that sort of thing.
Exactly. The main impact is as we will customize the carton, we will reduce waste and also empty space compared to what we did before. We will remove around about in average 40% of the empty space. And for sure, what will save there will be saved afterwards.
You've been doing this sort of work for a while. Did you see it going into this, like the sustainability impact? Is this something you've been looking at for a while?
Of course, this is also what we are targeting. We need to reduce our carbon footprint, and this is really an opportunity to contribute to.
Okay, we can see the details. You can take us inside.
Of course, you're welcome.
All right,
Please
let's
follow
do
me.
it. Thanks. So this is the start of the soap process. We have products coming in here, and then this woman is going to bundle them up.
Exactly. This is really to induct the goods into the soap process. The reason is as we do have some conveyable goods afterwards, if we don't bundle it, it will be collapsed.
Oh, so it'll go everywhere. All
Exactly.
over the place,
So we'll be a
right?
mess.
This is the next step, like where everything gets triggered, right?
Exactly. So as soon as we got the goods in, this is really where the key point is starting from, with really a 3D scanning of the volume of the order. This parcel is customized, meaning that it's sent afterwards really to cut the fanfold according to this size.
Okay, so everything that's seen here by the scanner is saying like how big the cut's going to be of the packaging, that sort of thing. Triggers, I guess, all that stuff, the labeling, everything. That's...
Exactly. As soon as the volume is set up, really use it to have fanfold dimensions and really use for all process afterwards.
How fast is the process then from like what this guy's doing? Everything's happening in like less than a minute.
Yeah, this is raw. Every 4 seconds we do have a parcel out.
Every 4 seconds?
Yeah.
That's incredible. And all this stuff is recyclable or recyclable?
Yeah, of course, as sustainable as possible, and for sure all parcels are recyclable.
Okay, Francois, I can see this is the end of the line. They're going on the truck to all different places. We have packages of all different sizes, which is obvious, the difference this makes. So that's like right to the fit of the box.
Exactly, this is what I told you, really empty space over.
No wasted space. What about the plastic?
This is the plastic we were using in the past. Okay. Right now, no more used.
An old story.
Old story, for
You're
sure.
pretty good at this. Should we cue the voiceover?
Let's go for it.
In 2022, half of the parcels shipped from the distribution center will rely on the small order automatic packaging process. That percentage will increase in the future. The environmental impact of more precise packaging is considerable. First, it means the parcels no longer require any tape. It also means less cardboard will be used for each parcel, reducing the amount of space needed in delivery trucks by 40%. In 2022, 33 less truck journeys will be needed, reducing the carbon impact by 30 tons. The soap process also eliminated the need for plastic envelopes on small orders. By eliminating 200,000 plastic envelopes in 2022, the CO2 impact is reduced by more than 17 tons. Combined, that's a 47-ton reduction in CO2 impact from using the soap process in 2022 alone.
I was thinking about something. This package itself, I could even reuse it.
Of course.
It's got tape on it for a return, but I could use it myself.
You can eat for whatever you want. Here
Yes.
you have just to peel it.
Yep.
You can reclose it immediately and use wherever you want.
So will be there evolutions in the future on like reusable packaging and stuff?
Can be for sure.
Okay, so you're exploring that down the line.
Exactly. This is one area where we're looking for, yes.
Okay, and what about this process, the soap stuff? You're gonna roll it out?
Yeah, for the moment it's only implemented in Europe.
Europe only.
And we are really thinking about roll it out in North America.
Okay, your job is changing fast.
Yeah.
More sustainable too.
More and more.
A lot of responsibilities. Thank you. It's
You're
been
welcome.
educational. We learned a lot. I hope everyone else learned a lot. Thank you to everyone in the Lyon store. We made a mockery of that place. Really sorry. And also thank you to Justine and to everyone here who helped us out. If you have questions or comments, type them below. I'm going to get my new buddy Francois to answer all your questions.